update courses, this one is to make sure each year we know what came out over the past year, what's new and important.
I'm actually really excited about this session because we all spend a lot of time figuring out how to get the very best outcomes for the patients that are sitting right in front of us.
We thought, how do we know what the biggest updates were?
How to do this procedure and how to get used to it so that we can spread this.
They're lying. I can tell by their faces right now. They won't look at me, so they're kind of looking away.
So this is a classic situation where I get super excited about a study and then you bring me back down to planet Earth.
You can, other people have described doing that to seal the leak, but you can also put a couple stitches in it and be just fine.